Struggling with LED dimming issues? You're definitely not alone, and fixing it can be way simpler than you think. So, first off, check if your dimmer switch is actually rated for LEDs, because a lot of older dimmers were just meant for incandescent bulbs. If it's not compatible, your LEDs might flicker or not dim smoothly. Sometimes, your dimmer has a little adjustment knob hidden under the plastic cover. Take that off carefully and tweak the knob to see if it helps smooth out the dimming. If you didn't install the lights yourself, ask the electrician who did. They usually know if you need a new dimmer or just a quick adjustment. When shopping for new dimmers, look for LED compatible or ELV dimmers specifically designed to handle low wattage bulbs. Also, make sure your LED bulbs themselves are dimmable because not all of them are, and that's a big deal. Try to avoid mixing different types or brands of LEDs on the same circuit, since that can cause flickering too. Lastly, double-check the wattage load on your dimmer. If you're under the minimum required load, it might not work right. One of the biggest mistakes people make with LED dimming is using an old-style incandescent dimmer. This is super common and causes flickering or buzzing. The fix is swapping it out for a modern LED-compatible dimmer. Another issue is using non-dimmable LED bulbs, which just won't work right no matter what. Always grab bulbs labeled as dimmable. Lastly, mixing different bulb brands or types on one dimmer often leads to uneven dimming or flicker. Sticking to one brand or type helps keep things smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors without the headache of endless searching. Plus, it helps contractors connect with quality projects so everyone wins.